So if you look at the social science, it's really interesting. If you look at human beings that you're trying to influence, you want to think about why they do what they do in two main categories. Do they want to? Motivation. And can they do it? Ability. And so understanding that alone is actually a huge benefit for people, right? Is that our tendency when we look at someone's behavior, especially if they're not doing something we want them to do, like home teaching or fulfilling a calling, or at work, they're not pulling their weight. We tend to look at people's behavior and we tend to sort of simplify the reasons why they do what we do. And we tend to attribute it almost always to motivation, meaning it's not important to them, they don't want to, or they're lazy, or something like that. And every once in a while that's the case, but it's rarely as simple as that. Motivation is just one part of why people do what they do. The other half is, do they have the ability, or do they have all of the ability they need to do this thing effectively? And it's interesting how ability and motivation really affect each other. When you're good at something and you know how to do something, it makes it a lot more enjoyable to do, right? It makes it more likely you'll do it because, hey, I know how to do that thing. So ability is all about knowledge, it's about skills, it's about anything that gives someone the strength and the ability to do something and do it effectively.